Hi everyone, welcome to Sayar Robin's channel. I'm Sayar Robin. In this video, I'm going to explain you about binomial coefficients and the binomial expansions problems, which is from IGCSE Specimen Paper 2020, Additional Mathematics 0606. Okay, let's do it right now. Well, here we go. This is problem number 9. So I've already explained you the previous problems in the previous video clips, so I hope you enjoy all of the problems if you will watch, right? Well, do not use a calculator in this problem number 9. Do not use a calculator in these questions. Okay, you're not allowed to use a calculator in these questions. So in the expansion of 1 plus 2x to the power n, so the coefficient, so main thing is coefficient of x to the power 4 is 10 times, it means the 10 multiplied by blah blah blah, the coefficient of what? X squared, right? The coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared. So find the value of positive integer n. Okay. So now what we are going to do is the value of positive integer n must be found. So you can use the two ways in order to solve this problem, because you can expand as much as you can in order to get the coefficient of x to the power 4. Or so you might use the formula for 1 plus 2 to the power n. So I prefer to use the formula directly, because that can be more efficient than the way we are expanding each and every times in this binomial. Well, I'm going to copy the question first. 1 plus 2x to the power n. Okay, I hope you are evident about the NCR x to the n minus r 1 to the power r, which is represented to the general term, or r plus 1 term, right? So I'm going to write down r plus 1 term. R plus 1 term equal to n choose r, and then x to the power n minus r, 1 to the power n minus r, y power r, which means 2x to the power r. So I have directly substituted the value into the formula, right? Okay, so if you want to find a coefficient of x to the power 4, so the power of x must be 4. Okay, before we do it, so we should simplify as much as we can in this expression. So n choose r, okay, let it be n choose r. And then 1 to the power any power, so ignore it, so we don't need to write it again. So 2 to the power r, and then x to the power r. Each and everything must be raised to the power r. Okay, that's why, so to find a coefficient of x to the power 4, r must be 4. Therefore, so we can write down n choose r, which means that, so n choose 4 into 2 to the power 4. So actually x to the power 4, right? So we just need to find out the coefficient of x to the power 4. Therefore, we don't need to put x to the power 4. And then is mean the equal to, and the 10 times mean 10 multiplied by. Okay, coefficient of x squared. How are we going to find the coefficient of a squared? We can directly substitute 2 into r, so we get x squared, right? Therefore, n choose r mean n choose 2, and then 2 to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 2, because we just remove it, x to the power 4, because the problems have given you coefficient only, okay, not including the term x to the power 4 and x to the power 2. Okay, after that we're going to continue to solve this problem. So you know that, so I want to do the r value is 4. We just need to do 1 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply by 4. Okay, n must be decreased by 1, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. All right, multiply by, so 2 square have to be, here we go, this one is 2. Okay, we can simplify in this step. Therefore, so 2 to the power 2 gonna be 4, equal to 10 multiplied by n choose 2 is 1 multiplied by 2, start from n and then decrease by 1, n minus 1. Okay, so we can delete it this 4 and this 4, and then n and n minus 1 and n minus 1 2. Okay, we can also strike out, do 5 times. Okay, so n minus 2 and n minus 3, n minus 2 times n minus 3 is going to be 1 2 3. The product of 1 2 3 is 6. 6 going to be multiplied by 5 is 30, right? So we have to continue from this step, right? So we have to expand it, right? N squared minus, and then negative 2n, negative 3n. All right, so negative 2 times negative 3 is going to be positive 6 equal to 30. So n squared minus 5n, and then minus positive 6 negative 30 is going to be negative 24. Okay, is equal to 0. So this one must be n minus 8 times n plus 3. Okay, by using a scientific calculator or by hand calculation and cross multiplication method, it's okay, no problem, right? So whatever you used, so it is easy going step, right? So n minus 8 is equal to 0, or n plus 3 is going to be 0. So n is equal to 8, or n is equal to negative 3. In this problem, so we just need to find the positive integer n, right? Therefore, we just need to reject the negative integer, negative 3. Therefore, reject it. Okay, the final answer is going to be n is equal to 8 only, right? Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in next videos.